Investing in real estate can be a lucrative way to build wealth and generate passive income. However, it can be overwhelming for beginners to know how to get started. That's why we put together this guide to help you understand the basics of investing in real estate. From determining your budget to finding the right property to managing tenants, we'll cover all the essential steps you need to take to get started on your real estate investment journey. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Here are the top 5 ways to invest in real estate for beginners. 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are a type of investment fund that owns and operates income-generating real estate properties. By investing in REITs, you can earn a share of the rental income and property appreciation of a diversified portfolio of real estate assets without actually owning any physical property. This is a good option for beginners who want to invest in real estate but don't have the capital or time to manage a property. 4. Rental properties. Buying a rental property and renting it out to tenants can be a great way to generate passive income. As a landlord, you can earn rental income every month while also benefiting from property appreciation over time. However, owning a rental property requires a significant upfront investment and ongoing management responsibilities, such as finding tenants, collecting rent, and maintaining the property. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows investors to pool their money together to fund a real estate project. As an investor, you can earn a share of the profits from the project in proportion to your investment. Real estate crowdfunding platforms typically offer lower minimum investment requirements compared to traditional real estate investing, making it more accessible for beginners. 2. House flipping. House flipping involves buying a distressed property, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. This strategy can be lucrative, but it requires a significant amount of capital, knowledge, and time. As a beginner, you may want to partner with experienced house flippers or start with a smaller project before taking on larger ones. 1. House hacking. House hacking involves buying a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the other units to tenants. This strategy allows you to generate rental income while also living rent-free, reducing your housing expenses. House hacking can be a good option for beginners because it allows you to get started with real estate investing without having to make a significant upfront investment. These are the top 5 ways to invest in real estate for beginners: REITs, rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, house flipping, and house hacking. Each strategy has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that aligns with your financial goals and resources. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on the latest videos. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.